lecture I'm going to discuss about how to use the ternary operator in Kotlin. So this is a code here. So let's understand the code. So first var sc equal to scanner system.in. So here object created sc with the hash of scanner class system class.in. Then after enter your marks. So this are displayed into the output screen and whatever we enter so that received by n. Suppose here on I've entered 45. So this is the ternary operator on Kotlin. So if this place is now 45, that's greater than 40. So obviously this condition is true. So when that condition is true, so this part that execute. So here that pass that come, pass that store into ter, and here you pass the exam. Okay, the message that display you pass the exam. If I run this code, then you can see here the output display you pass the exam. So currently compiling. So first here entering 45, you pass the exam. And suppose if user enter 40, okay, so this place 40 or greater than 40, this condition is not true. So here or else part that execute this. So this part execute else part, this condition if true, then this part execute pass, and if this condition is false, so else part that execute, and here on order there that store fail. So here the message display you fail the exam. So suppose if I run the code, then this place if I enter 40, then you can see you fail the examination. That's our display. So by using here or if else, we can achieve the ternary operator inside the Kotlin. So here this is the way we can achieve the ternary operator. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.